Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to thank Godrej for providing this wonderful opportunity. It truly has been a great experience to reflect on the significant project that I was part of. During my undergraduation, I had the opportunity to work with Ahmedabad Municipal Corporation under Swachh Sarvekshan Swachh Bharat Abhiyan 2070. In this project, I was given 2 wards of South Zone in Ahmedabad region, and my duties was that I had to visit impoverished households, conduct survey and gather data regarding any kind of sanitation or hygiene problems that the family members were facing. Apart from this, I also inspected public toilets and spread awareness among people regarding the Swachhta MOHUA app and encouraged them to download the same. It was a 30-day long internship which required intensive field work and data collection skills. My personal contribution to this project was that I was able to identify 5 major garbage vulnerable points, and out of these 5 points, on 3 points AMC installed waste segregation bins, and at 2 points they built the public toilets which catered to both men and women. This entire process led to a significant reduction of 29% of waste in that area. However, I feel that during this project, one of the great challenges that I faced was to remain calm in all situations and circumstances. During this COVID-19 lockdown, I started doing meditation in order to remain calm in all stressful circumstances. However, there is one very significant and personal learning that I want to reflect upon. During this pandemic, I indirectly learned from my mother how to do effective stakeholder management. When the lockdown was imposed, the home helpers were not coming, and my mother strategically allotted all of us different chores and tasks, taking into consideration our schedule and interest. She also communicated the task role very effectively. When the lockdown was lifted, she reasonably negotiated with the maids, and in this way she single-handedly managed to keep everyone happy. I got inspired by her leadership, her professionalism, and her need-based assessment. I also try to implement the same in my college while performing group tasks or conducting any club event at IRMA. I will always look back at this personal learning and will try to implement it at my personal end. At the end, I just want to say that I have always believed that with great challenges comes even greater opportunities. This is Shreya Chauhan from Institute of Rural Management, Anand, gearing up for my next challenge with Godrej. Thank you.